Hello friends, if your Twitter impressions have dropped significantly, likes and comments are not showing, then Twitter may have shadow banned your account. Twitter intentionally reduces the reach of a shadow ban account. The reason for a shadow ban is that you may have violated any of Twitter's rules or regulations. To find out if your account is shadow banned or not, go to any account's post and comment on it. Now log in with another Twitter account and go to the same post and see where your comment is showing. If it's showing in the probable spam section, it means your account has been shadow banned. And if it is showing normally above somewhere in the comment section, then it means your account is not shadow banned. To get rid of the shadow ban, you need to review the previous activity on your Twitter to see which rule or policy of Twitter you have violated, and delete all that post which violated rules to remove the ban. Here are some possible violations you can look into. You have posted content which include violent threats, abusive slurs, epithets, racist or sexist tropes, abusive content that reduces someone to less than human, content that incites fear. You have posted some content with copyright issues. You follow, like, retweet or comment on accounts that are already shadow banned. You have made too many posts or comments too quickly in too little time. You have changed the username or profile picture, which has put the account in review. You are using VPN and changing location continuously. Delete any such posts or comments to eliminate shadow ban. After that, stop any activity on Twitter for 3 days. After 3 days, you can comment again and check from another account that your comment is shown in the right place or not. If the shadow ban is still not over, you should stop all activities posting, commenting and liking on Twitter for another 7 days. Hopefully this will remove the shadow ban. Twitter has made the rules much stricter for new accounts. If you are a new user, you need to be more careful. You can look into stuff like, don't follow too many accounts together in a short time of span. Don't post and comment too much at once, and don't like or retweet too many posts, but move forward slowly. Enter username and profile picture correctly at once, and don't change it repeatedly. Changing it will put your account into review. Verify your account by providing your email address and mobile number. Only follow, post, like or comment, and retweet accounts that have a large following and good reputation, and are also blue tick verified. Get blue tick and ID verification of your account. If your account has been suspended before, do not create a new account on the browser or mobile app on which the previous account has been suspended. First delete the browser or app along with its data, then install a new browser or app and create a new account on it, because Twitter has access to the browser's fingerprint and app data, and can identify that the user who created the new account previously created an account on that browser, violated Twitter rules, and the account had been suspended. If you make new account on same browser or app, then it will also get suspended or shadow banned even if you don't violate any rule. Hopefully this guide will help you. If you have any question you can ask in comment section, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.